Let's we start the lecture. Today our lecture is on hormonal contraceptives. Salim bhai, Salim bhai, hormonal contraception. Hormonal contraception means the drugs or hormones which are used to prevent the pregnancy. The hormonal contraception may be available in the form of oral, parenteral, and implanted contraceptives. And what is contraceptive? Contra means against, and seption means pregnancy. So the drugs which are used to prevent pregnancy, they are called contraceptives. The use of contraceptive not only in protection of pregnancy, but also they protect the sexual transmitted diseases. So there are two indications, most probably the protection from the pregnancy and the protection from the sexual transmitted diseases. Then what are the methods which are adopted by the patients and advised by the doctor? They are called different methods. First method is the barrier method, means when OR reaches to the sperm and they combine with each other. If you make a barrier in between the OR and the sperm, the method is called barrier method. The barrier method comprises male condom, female condoms, diaphragm, shield, and cervical care. These are the different barriers which enable the sperm to reach to the ovum, and they are termed as barrier methods. Next is the chemical contraceptives, means you are giving some chemicals which are injurious for the sperms, and these are the spermicides in nature, and there are sponges are also used in the form of chemical contraceptives. Then the hormonal contraceptives, that was real topic. Hormonal contraceptives may be available in the form of pills, norplants, and Depo-Provera. These are the different formulation of the hormones by which they are used as contraceptives. Then some mechanical intrauterine devices are used to prevent the pregnancy. There are some new methods. These are the older methods like barrier method, chemical contraceptives, and the hormonal contraceptives. Now there are intrauterine devices. Now there are some new developments like methotrexate. I have told methotrexate in rheumatoid arthritis, and this methotrexate is anti-cancer drug also, and now this drug is used as contraceptive. Misoprostol, that is the prostate, and vaccines, skin patches, and testosterone. These are different new things. Misoprostol is a prostaglandin. Methotrexate anti-cancer drug, and also this is the disease-modifying drug in rheumatoid arthritis. There are some vaccines which are available for the contraceptions and the skin patches. And testosterone is also used as contraceptive. Polyurethane male condom and the vaginal rings. Assure coils. These are the coils which are placed inside the uterus, and they are used as new development in the method of contraception. So, what is contraception? Contraception is to prevent the pregnancy and to prevent the sexual transmitted diseases. There are different ways through which you can prevent the pregnancy. First is the physical barriers, then chemical barriers, then there are some medication, there are hormone preparations, and there are some intrauterine devices. And these are some new developments like methotrexate, misoprostol, vaccine, skin patches, testosterone, polyurethane, male condom, vaginal rings, and the assurance. These are new methods. Then the methods which are used by the, which are gifted by the God, they are called natural methods. Natural method of contraception are breastfeeding. Withdrawal is adopted by the couple itself, provide ejaculation and abstinence. These are the some natural method in which you have not used the pills, you have not used any surgical procedure, you have not used any devices. These are the natural methods of contraceptions. Then there is surgical method, and these methods are permanent methods. Other methods you can reverse the contraception. But in this case there is a permanent method of contraception: tubal ligation, vasectomy, and the D and E, dilatation and evacuation. Sometimes the hysterectomy may be done as a method of contraception. Abortion, you have to inject saline, prostaglandin injections, and they are results in the abortion. Now the hormonal contraception. Hormonal contraception may be oral, parenteral, and implanted. Means you can give the hormones in the form of oral preparation, in the form of parenteral preparations, and some implanted material which have the hormones. The oral contraceptive pills, or they are also called combined oral contraceptive pills. They was first introduced in 1960. This was some little one history of contraception. When someone diagnosed that if you are giving the estrogen and progesterone alone or in combination, they may cause the contraception. So the oral contraceptive pills was introduced first in 1960. Combination of estrogen and the progesterone or continuous progestin therapy without estrogen means either you give the estrogen and progesterone in combination or you give alone the progestin therapy without estrogen. These are the hormonal contraception. One implantable contraceptive preparation is available. Means you implant a device in the body which have estrogen and progesterone. That is a hormonal implant. Combined oral contraceptive pills, as the name indicates, they contain estrogen and the progesterone. Estrogen in the form of ethinyl estradiol or mestronol, and progesterone may be in form of norethistron, desogestrel, levonorgestrel, gestrodin, norgestimate, and drospirenol. These are different progesterone that are used in contraceptive pill, and estrogen in the form of ethinyl estradiol and mestronol. These are two hormones which are used as contraceptive, and they have the ability to prevent the pregnancy, or they are used as oral contraceptive. The hormonal contraception, what are their formulation? The hormonal contraception may be monophasic, biphasic, and triphasic. The monophasic pills, these are the pills which contain fixed amount of estrogen and the progesterone. Means the estrogen and progesterone, the both in fixed amount in monophasic pills. In biphasic pills, the estrogen is in fixed amount, while the amount of progestin increases in the second half of the second. Understand? In monophasic, each tablet contains a fixed amount of estrogen and progesterone, while in biphasic, each tablet contains a fixed amount of estrogen, but the progestin is not in fixed amounts. It may be increases in the second half of the menstrual cycle. Then the triphasic. The amount of estrogen may be fixed or variable. In about two preparations, the estrogen amount is fixed, but in triphasic, the estrogen may be fixed or may be variable, while the amount of progestin increases in the three equal phases. The first, second, and the third half, gradual increase of the progestin. So these are the different formulation of the hormonal contraception. What is the mechanism of action of hormonal contraception? The hormonal contraception, their main action or mechanism of action is to suppress gonadotropin secretion. If there is no gonadotropin, there is no ovulation. Means ova is not released from the follicle. Inhibition of the ovulation and release of ova from the follicle.